So today I'm going to take you on a graffiti walking tour through Harlem. Now Harlem is really spread out and it's broken up into different neighborhoods, and I mean there's a lot of ground to cover. So I went to Spanish Harlem, I went to the west side, I went to the east side, I went up to 156th, I did a separate video for 125th. I'll put a link in the description down below for the 125th video. This is a De La Vega mural. This is De La Vega. It's dated 96. I believe it's that old. I mean, this guy, I'm definitely a fan of his work. So this is a mural by El Mac. It's pretty cool to see. I mean, I'm familiar with his work. He's painted with a lot of the MSK guys over the years. Retina. I've seen a lot of walls they did together, but I didn't know this was here, but I recognized his work. So this is pretty crazy. This is from an old show from the early 80s, Give Me a Break. This has been covered up since the 80s. We got a Benson and Hedges cigarette ad. You don't see that. You don't see this anymore in the subways. It's an old Harlem gate, old tags. You can see it says it's from 94. It's pretty old. So this is the old PS 186 school. This school was abandoned for like 40 years. So probably around 2014 or 15, I want to say, they started rehabilitating the building. Now, I lived a block over where I literally would see the school every single day. And when I first moved in, I think 2011, I moved into the apartment around the block, and there was very little information on it. And They did a music video, the ASAP Mob, ASAP FERG. I think that was an outlaw video. I think they just went in the building and I found one of the props, one of the Cristal bottles from the video shoot in the building, which was cool. The spot got really popular though, eventually, but yeah, it's all gone now. So this is probably one of the most famous murals in Harlem. It's Big L. Probably one of the best underrated underground rappers. You know, the Big L story is pretty interesting. He had a pretty short career, but his music is like, to this day, is like timeless. They actually recreated the store. The awning used to say Harlem Up Deli Market, and they did a recreation of it in the Source Awards. But yeah, they recently replaced the awning, and they actually like touched up the mural. I think an airbrush artist retouched it. You could see the guy left his name. This is a pretty interesting tag I just came across, just going down a side street. This is Pabs 156. He recently passed away, and that's Wheat 156. There's not a lot of documentation of Wheat, but from a couple times that I met him, Wheat 156 took John 156 to the yard for the first time. That's like the history. So yeah, this guy is responsible for a lot of the 156 history. Wheat 156. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment if you like this video, and I'll catch you on the next video.